Me? You wanna fight me? Let go of my hair. Let go. And I know we were perfect, but I've never. Anyone wants to? Red lights, stop, stop. Okay. What the?
Please, Pete, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Speed, I'm watching this stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Stop laughing, bro. Look at you smiling, bro. Pause on you.
All right, okay. Yep, this is. Okay. Yep.
Who ate all the macaroni and cheese? Look, Cheddar Goblin! Cheddar Goblin, did you eat all the macaroni and cheese?
Nothing's better than cheddar.
Cheddar Goblin! Cheddar Goblin! Cheddar Goblin! Cheddar Goblin!
Coca-Cola, espuma.
Bazinga! Bazinga!
Town to keep me moving.
Kitty, you can has cheeseburger.
I'm Forky. What's your name? Hi, I'm Pan. Do you want to be friends? Sure. And from that day, they became the bestest friends. And you know what they did?
They collided! We like coconuts! We like coconuts! We like coconuts! Let's go! Let the head out the butt! Hey!
her butt.
The kind of deals that make you boogie.
Wake me up when it's all over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost.
What do you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean.